Bird populations worldwide are facing an alarming decline, with numerous species teetering on the brink of extinction. This decline not only threatens the existence of these majestic creatures, but also signals potential ecological imbalances with far-reaching consequences.
Welcome to Kivu Odyssey, where we embark on journeys through the heart of nature and the thrill of exploration. Join us as we discover breathtaking landscapes and uncover hidden treasures. Get ready for adventure, right here on Kivu Odyssey.
The interconnectedness of ecosystems is a fundamental concept in ecology, highlighting the delicate balance between various species and their environments. Birds, as integral components of ecosystems, play a crucial role in maintaining this balance through their diverse ecological functions. Despite their importance, birds are facing a multitude of threats that jeopardize their survival. Habitat loss due to deforestation, urbanization, and agricultural expansion is one of the primary factors driving bird populations to decline. Additionally, climate change, pollution, and the spread of invasive species further exacerbate these challenges. To grasp the magnitude of the issue, it's essential to delve into specific examples of bird species that are particularly vulnerable to extinction. From iconic species like the African gray parrot to lesser-known birds like the cerulean warbler, many avian populations are dwindling rapidly due to human activities. The urgency of addressing the decline in bird populations cannot be overstated. Not only do birds provide vital ecosystem services, such as pollination and pest control, but their presence also serves as an indicator of overall environmental health. By protecting birds, we are safeguarding the integrity of entire ecosystems and securing a sustainable future for generations to come. In summary, protecting birds is paramount to maintaining ecological balance and biodiversity. Through concerted conservation efforts, we can mitigate the threats facing avian populations and ensure their continued existence. It is incumbent upon us as stewards of the planet to take action and preserve these invaluable creatures for future generations. To make a difference, individuals can support local bird conservation organizations, participate in citizen science projects to monitor bird populations, and advocate for policies that prioritize habitat conservation and biodiversity protection. Additionally, sharing information and raising awareness about the plight of birds can inspire others to join the cause and contribute to their preservation. Together, we can make a tangible impact in reversing the decline of bird populations and nurturing a thriving planet for all living beings.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video insightful and want to learn more about bird conservation and ecological balance, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Your support helps us continue to create content that raises awareness and inspires action for bird conservation. Join our community of passionate conservationists and nature lovers. Together, we can make a difference.